going on, everybody? Grim Repair here. Today I'm going to show you how to get your tailgate to open back up on your, this is an 87 Toyota pickup. It's going to be like 87 to 91 or something like that. I don't know, it'll be in the title. Tools you're going to need are a Phillips screwdriver, 10 millimeter, a little bit of dry lubricant, and most likely you're going to need a new door handle. There'll be links down below in the description to all the parts and tools needed. First thing you're going to do is remove the 12 screws that cover this, and yours may have a plastic cover over the top of this, but it's still going to be a Phillips screwdriver. And if you look down in here, you can see this side's got a plastic on the handle and this side doesn't. Normally it would go like that and it would open your tailgate. If your tailgate is stuck shut, you can remove this, reach in here and just pull these rods like this and it should open. We're going to pop these plastic retaining clips off of these rods so that we can just slide the rods right out. Looks like somebody's been in here before, did some something custom here. Gonna have to pull that off. If my new one didn't come with, my new one came with clips, so I don't need this anymore. But this might be a better way to hold on to it, so I might leave it. I don't know, we'll see. All right, now that the rods are disconnected, you're gonna take your 10 millimeter, remove these two bolts. And this should just slide right out. There we go. Come on. And it's out. I'm going to open up the new one. Slide it up in there. Looks like it's going to take a little bit of persuading, just like the other one. I'm holding the handle open, putting these down here, and then I'm feeding these up through first, and that seems to be the way to get it in. Now we're going to put these 10 millimeters back in. Just get them started by hand. Make sure everything looks okay on the outside here before we tighten it up. Don't close it though. Looking good, looking good. Go ahead and tighten it up all the way. All right. I'm just gonna slide that back through the hole and slide the plastic clip onto it. Gonna do the same thing on this one. I think I'm gonna go ahead and keep this. They drilled a hole in it and put some wire through it, and they got a washer on the other side. I think that'll help keep it in there, so I'm gonna go ahead and keep it. There we go. If you don't have a custom setup, just go ahead and slide it through. Since we're in here, we're gonna go ahead and lube everything up, mainly over here. And over here. Make sure it works before we put it all back together. Sure does. Put those Phillips screws back in there. That's it. High five, you did it.